Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to get 2 times or even 3 times faster internet on Android phone. So first of all, I would recommend you to check your internet speed. To do so, you can open Chrome browser. You can search for speed test and click on run speed test. Once the speed result comes, take the screenshot and keep that screenshot on your phone. This is my internet speed test result on my phone before applying any settings. Now to increase the internet speed, open settings, tap on your connected Wi-Fi, then tap on eye icon next to the connected Wi-Fi. In some phone it will show settings icon, so tap on the settings icon, tap on IP settings. Here select static, scroll down, tap on DNS1 and type 8.8.8.8, then tap on DNS2 and here type 8.8.4.4 and save it. After saving it, now restart your device, and once your phone restart, you can then check your internet speed has been increased 2 times or even 3 times faster on your Android phone. So to check the internet speed again, open Chrome, search for speed test and click on run speed test, and once the speed test results comes out, you can check internet speed has been increased or not. In my case, my internet speed has been increased. Now it is showing 94 Mbps download speed and 69.2 Mbps upload speed. I hope your internet speed has been now increased 2 times or 3 times on Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.